All right, guys, exercise 35. Listen up. Now you don't have a rectangle, so it's not that easy that you can calculate everything and then take the green part or the pool out of it. You cannot do that now. We have to find a different way. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide that path into little rectangles. There are more ways to do it, but I'm going to show you one way. Now, they also tell you when you read exercise 35 that the width of the path is x. Always write it down somewhere that you don't forget it. And they always also tell you already the surface area, but you have to generate the equation yourself. Now, let's divide our path into beautiful rectangles. You can make it easy for yourself. You can make it difficult, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you first an easy way. Now, I would say see this one as a rectangle because then you have 5. Also, you want 7, so you cut it like this. This is easy because over here you can calculate. You know the width of the path is x. Always write it. So, for example, this one is going to be 5 times x. Then you have this one. This over here, this part is going to be 7 times x. Over here, this little square is going to be x times x. This takes quite a lot of time. So what I prefer to do, let's have a look. You know, okay, this is 7, this is 3, this is going to be 4, So this is going to be 4. Only this part is going to be 4. So when I want to calculate, I'll cut it here. This is a rectangle. I want to calculate this one. I have to do 4 plus x. Then I have this total length. But I know this part, what is it? Because it's the path. I know that this is x. Here it will be x. The width of the path is never changing. So I know this is also going to be x. So it's 4 plus x times the x. But remember, you can make it also more easy for yourself and say, I'm going to make it a little square here again. So it's whatever you prefer. You can make as many rectangles and squares as you want, but find an easy way. So what I'll do, this one, I'm going to cut it here as well. Create a little square there. Create a little square over here. Of course, it's a square, but my drawing is not perfect. And this one, I'm going to leave it like this to show you that you don't need to have these little squares in the corner. Also like this. Let's start. The first one. So we need 1, rectangle 2, 3. Here we got 4, 5, 6. We got 7 over here. We got over here 8. Then we have 9. I have no idea how you write 9 when it comes to the Romanian numbers. But I think it's going to be like this. This is 9 because this is 10. So 10 minus 1. And 10. Let's do this, okay? Let's start with the first one. The first one is going to be x squared. Woo! Oops, excuse me, sorry. I'm so sorry what I did here. Is going to be x squared. Yeah? Okay. Then, the second rectangle, look at it. It's going to be 7 times x. So the second one will be 7 times x is 7x. Just write them down. The third one, over here, that is x times x once again, which is x squared. The fourth one, that's this one. Let's look at the total length. It's 10 plus 5. So you have 15 times x again. So the fourth one, 15 times x, 15x. Then the fifth one, which is a little square, is going to be x times x, x squared. Then number 6. Let's have a look. Number 6, this is 3. The path, the width is still x. So we get 3 times x, 3x. Let's continue to number 7, which is another square. Is going to be x squared. This one over here, it stops here. Yeah? So let's see. It stops here. Do we want that? No, because we want this total length, which is going to be 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this part here. Let me have a look. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Ha! We don't need to. Look, we want this part. We know that everything here is 10, so we subtract an x from it. So this part only is going to be 10 minus x because we removed the little x there. So number 8 is going to be 10 minus the x multiplied by x again. Remember to put the brackets because it's length times width. You get, when you multiply it out, 10x minus x squared. Then the last part, which is going to be, not the last part, it's number 9. 4, this part is 4, so 4 plus the x times another x, 4x plus x squared. And then, really the last one over here, this is 5 plus x. Yeah, is it dirty? Because I don't understand. Yeah, 5 plus 5 times x, so you get 5x. Woo! We gotta put everything together. So let's do that, okay? Which takes a lot of time, but we have to do that sadly. Okay. We add them all together. X squared, here the x squared, and this one. So this one we use already. We got 4x to the power of 2 plus the 7x plus the 15x plus the 3x plus the 10x minus x squared plus the 4x plus x squared plus the 5x. Now, you get x squared over here and plus x squared get 0. 7x, 15x, 3x, 10x, and 5x will be in total 44. So we are left with 4x squared plus 44x. Woo! So that is the whole surface area of the path. Now, to solve the equation, of course, you write down the equation. They were asking, what was it again? When you look in the text, it was 104. Bring it to the left side. Let's see if you can divide it by 4. That would be great. And yes, you can divide everything by 4. X squared plus 11x minus 26 is 0. Please look for this. What do you need? Positive 13 minus 2. X and x. X will be negative 13 or x will be 2. Of course, you work with this one. The path, once again, has a width of 2. Okay, now you must be able to do this all alone.